Hello everyone, I'm Kaviriti and I'm here to present my experience as an intern at SPG Software Solutions. There I have worked on a full stack web development to develop a website from scratch under the guidance of Mr. Karthik Ganapati, the Managing Director of SPG Software Solutions, and my internal guide is Professional Honoraju. These are the contents that I follow during my presentation. Starting with about the company, it is a professional software development and a training company based in India that endeavor on highly offshore software development and the project management, which is a private incorporated on 2012. The company is highly experienced in offering software professionals capabilities to provide you highly efficient software and the web solutions that give your business edge over competitors. The company helps customers' business expand with the creative website design and bring thoughts into reality with a perfect blend of creativity, technology, and the perfection. Android development and the web design and training is the core area of expertise where company has been serving various industries. And the service offered by the companies are Android and the iOS development and the training, web designing, multimedia development, logo and commercial designing, upgrading the existing websites, and Java, C, C++, .NET and other programming languages training, hardware and networking. Vision and the mission of the company are the vision is to enable our customers to respond faster and more intuitively to changing marketing dynamics by delivering the seamless solutions that add a exponential value to the business such that they take a pride in ownership of VHS software solution products, ensuring VHS software solutions becomes their natural choice for repeat business. And the mission is the company endeavor to delight customers through quality, performance, and innovation, employing the best of their practices and the technical wisdom to not only deliver the best fit customized solution and support, but also a complete collaborative business experiences. The work assigned during the intern is to develop a web application from scratch using HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and MySQL. The task was to build a travel website and that contains packages of trip provided by the website. By using this information, the user can request a destination to build a faster processing time and more accurate data for a travel request, provide track authorization and the travel request status, and to build a package model for travelers about the trips, to build an admin page, to add a new travel destination, and to manage the data. Here, I have developed a travel booking website from scratch by using a open source CSS framework for developing a responsive website provided by the Bootstrap. Tourism Website Builder is a complete content management system for travel and the tourism industry that deliver the features most required by the independent tourism operators, destination marketing groups, tourism associates, and the travel professionals. It consists of four modules: administrative module that provides a administrator related functionality and the admin can manage all the info and has access rights to add, delete, update and view the data related to places, travels, routes, booking, restaurants, etc. And the travel module provides the details of various travel agencies. The user can select the appropriate agency depending on convenience and accessibility. The reservation module allows a user to book a tickets or cancel the previously booked tickets, maintains the details of all reservations made so far. And the testimonial module where user can post their opinion, complaints and the suggestions regarding the portal and the services to the admin. The router module provides the info related to the various routes and the connecting sources and the destination. This is an homepage of my website and have gained out technical as well as the non-technical skills during working as an intern. And the technical skills includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and other programming languages required for the front-end and the back-end development of a website. And the analytical skills for the problem understanding and the solving. And the responsive design skill that makes the web pages render well on a variety of devices and screen sizes. Testing and debugging skills, and the full stack web development to develop a front end and the back end of a website, and the search engine optimization that enables you to get a better ranking for a site on a web. And the non-technical skill includes the interpersonal skills, ability to accept and apply feedback from others, to work in a team and to negotiating with others, recognizing and appreciating diversity in a team, stay focused and organized, punctual at work, and the time management. And the benefits of internship are where we can apply our theoretical knowledge that we gain so far and to build a valuable networks, access to a variety of tasks and the departments, and exposing ourselves to actual work experience, gain a new industry insights and a knowledge, and get a chance for a field experimentation and the professional soft skills such as the communication, punctuality, and the time management. Here is a completion of certificate for my internship that I am awarded. And the conclusion is the internship has been a very important and helpful addition as it helps with the getting accustomed to the professional working environment and the performance standard for the real world. And there is a lot to be learned in terms of leadership, efficiency, effectiveness, and the professionalism. It has also been a great progressive force to meet experts and professionals actually working in the field in terms of motivation to want to improve the skills and the mindset. Thank you.